In this video, we're going to look at how to solve problems involving compound interest. Now, the general form for compound interest is A equals P times the quantity, 1 plus R over K to the KT power. A is the amount of time, P is the principal amount, which is the initial, R is the rate as a decimal, and K is the number of times compounded yearly, and T is the time in years. So let's apply this formula to assist us with a compounding quarterly example. So I'll write it off to the side. What we're going to do is we're going to find what each value is. We're going to label what we know. So suppose Diana wants to invest $500 into an account that is compounded quarterly at a rate of 5%. When will the investment reach $1,000? When will it be worth $1,000? So A is our final amount, which we want to know how long will it take to reach 1,000. So A is 1,000. P is the principal amount, the initial amount, which was 500. R is your rate as a decimal, which it says is 5%, so 0.05. K is the amount of times compounded yearly, and it says it's compounded quarterly, which means 4 times a year. And we want to know how much time, so we're trying to find T. So now that I have all my values, I'm going to plug them into the formula. A equals, so 1,000, equals my principal, which is 500, times the quantity, 1 plus our rate, which is 0.05, over K, which is 4, to the KT power, so 4 times T power. To solve this, what we are going to do is isolate this object, isolate my parentheses. I'm going to get rid of my coefficient of 500 by dividing both sides by 500. And that's going to give me 2 equals. Now to simplify, 1 plus 0.05 divided by 4, that is 1.0125. And that is to the 4t power. So to solve this, I notice my variable is located in the exponent. So how do I solve it? I'm going to take the log of both sides. That allows me to bring the variable out of the exponent. So I have log of 2 equals, this 4t comes out and becomes the coefficient 4t times log of 1.0125. So to solve from here, I am going to find what the log of 2 is. Deal with just the numbers. So log of 2. And that is 0.3010. And so log of 2, let's write that down as 0.3010. So 0.301. Now really, this t is being multiplied by 4 and log of 1.0125. Going to use my calculator and type in 4 times the log of 1.0125 and hit enter. I have 0.02158. So really, I can rewrite this as 0.02158 times t. So to solve for t, I'm going to divide both sides by my coefficient of 0.02158. 0.02158. That allows me to cancel that out. And I get my time equals, go to our calculator. We have 0.301 and we're dividing by 0.02158. Hit enter. I get 13.948. And so that is my time, 13.948 years. And so the process is the same as what we've done before. When your variable is located in the exponent, to get it out, since we don't have base e, we just have regular old numbers, we use our regular old log. And that allows us to bring it down, find the values that you're dealing with, and then get those decimals and solve from there.